Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we are going to finally find out once and for all, definitively, how much my shop anvil weighs. For all of you that have been around the channel for a long time, you know her, you love her. This is Olga, my shop anvil. Now, when I bought this anvil, I was told that it was a 464 pound North German Pettinghaus anvil. That was the bill of goods I was sold, and I have never had anything in my shop capable of actually checking the weight of this anvil. All that changes today. I went out and purchased this Vevor brand 13.5 ton crane scale, and I just recently got this nice big gantry for the shop from a local farmer around here locally, and now I have the ability to actually weigh Olga and see exactly how much she weighs. Quick note on that, I am not sponsored by Vevor, but there will be an affiliate link to Vevor's website down in the description down below, as well as where you can find this over on Amazon.com. So be advised that you do take and help support the channel with any of those affiliate links for no additional cost to you. So without that, all that disclaimer nonsense out of the way, let's see how much old girl weighs. So I'm gonna pull this over here, get this all lined up. We'll go ahead and get these, this rigged up here so we can hang it. Throw these toe straps, these lifting straps on this hook. Turn it on. Pull it around. We'll go ahead and tear it or clear it out. That way we have a neutral weight for the straps, and up we go. This is going to be fun to find out how much this weighs. Now, one downside to this crane scale is it only measures in kilograms. It does not measure in pounds, so you do have to do a conversion on this. So if you want to know a quick conversion, it is 2.2 pounds to the kilogram. So here we go, we're gonna get her all the way up here in the air. That way you guys can see there's no tricks. All right, let's see how much she weighs, shall we? I have a reading of 200, it's bouncing between 208 and 206 kilograms respectively. So I will go ahead and put the math, what that conversion is in pounds, right here on screen. Now, I've already done the math on this, and that means it has come out to a lot less than what was sold. A little bit less, but not too crazy, so pretty darn close. What you don't want with a big anvil like this is you pay all those dollars per pound for something, say a 400 pound anvil, and you get something and it's like 350 pounds. Because then you overpaid all them dollars, sometimes $5 to $10 a pound, for 50 pounds over. So definitely don't want to do that. So I'm pretty excited about that. That works out pretty good. So that's it for today. Now you know how much she weighs. For those that have always asked me in the comment sections of my videos, how big is that anvil? Well, now you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the channel members that make this content possible here at Christ Center Ironworks. God bless each and every last one of you, and we'll catch you on the next one.